Hi, welcome to the Be Wise project. I hope you've been preparing yourselves properly for the csec exam as you're drawing nearer to the examination. Today we are looking at May 2011 csec paper 2, questions and answers. Now this is brought to you by the Be Wise project, hosted by yours truly, Howard Atkins, your math educator. I have a friend here today, and this friend is my friendly tiger, but he gets aggressive when you're not paying attention, so therefore please do pay attention. Mr. Tiger is now saying question 1, while my nice friend here relaxing and doing his math is saying, for real? Now let's see what question 1 has to offer. In question 1, we are asked to do this fraction here. Maybe it looks a bit ugly, but we can do it. Yes, you can. We never stop saying be wise, revise. 2 1/4 plus 1 1/8 divided by 4 1/2. And you're to write the exact value of that working. Then we have 3.96 multiplied by 0.25 minus the square root of 0.0256. Now we have the solution lined up for you. So what you want to do first is to separate your numerator and work with it. Just like Oliver said, work with it. So we have 2 1/4 plus 1 1/8. You want to change your mixed numbers to improper fraction. There you have it. You have 9/4 plus 9/8. Yeah, what we do, we take this 4, multiply by 2, we get 8, and then we add the 1, we get 9, so 9/4, and we do the same method for the other. Hence, we get 18 plus 9 over 8. Yes, where did we get that from? Okay, here goes. 4 and 8 are your denominators. So 8 is the lowest number that both denominators can divide without leaving a remainder. So it means therefore 4 into 8 give you 2, 2 times 9 give you 18, and 8 into 8 give you 1, 1 times 9 give you 9. So 18 plus 9 give you 27. So our numerator yields 27 over 8. Then we bring in our denominator, and this will be 4 1/2, which is equal to 9 over 2. Bring both things together now. Therefore, 27 over 8 divided by 9 over 2 will give you 27 over 8 times 2 over 9. Notice here that this is a division while this is a multiplication. What is happening here? Think about this. If you have 10 dumplings and you want to divide the 10 dumplings in 2 equal parts, what do? Yes, you divide 10 by 2, give you 5. But isn't that the same as multiplying 10 by 1/2? Yeah, you saw it. Right. So that is why we change the division to multiplication and inverting the divider. Because if we invert the 2, we're going to get 1 over 2. Good. So when we multiply this out now, 9 and 27 have common factors, which is 9. Yes, the highest common factor. The 9 to 9 goes 1 time. 9 to 27 goes what? 3 times. Then 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8 goes 4 times. So let's see, your answer is going to be 3 upon 4. Then that takes care of number 1A, part 1. We move on to the other part now, which says 3.96 multiplied by 0.25 minus square root of 0.0256. Now notice that this here, this part here is the answer. Right? Use a calculator to multiply it and you get this answer. Then don't touch this one yet. Afterwards, you're going to find the square root of it. Find the square root of it using the calculator. That gives you 0.16. Then you do your subtraction and you get your nice answer. So that is relatively simple. And my friend the tiger here down here is believing me and he's agreeing with me. It is simple. Yeah. Arr. Let's look at part B. The table below shows Pamela's shopping bill. Some of the information was not included. What are they talking about? The information that is not included here is the total cost of the rice and also the potatoes and also that's unit price of the potatoes and also the quantity of milk and also the percentage value added tax. That's what VAT means. So how do you go about doing this calculation? You buy some rice, that's 6.5 kilograms of rice. Unit price is 2.4 or $2.40 per kilogram of rice. So if each kilogram costs $2.40, then you multiply 6.5 by 2.4 and that will give you a total of $15.60. Over now to the potatoes. The potatoes time. The potatoes, we have 4 bags of potatoes. Yes, 4 bags of potatoes here. And we have total cost of $52.80. What was the unit price? Remember, the progression is to multiply the quantity by the unit price to get the total cost. So, all we have to do is to divide 52.8 by 4. Alright, let me give you a chance to do that in the calculator. Alright, 52.8 divided by 4 equals, 13.20 or $13.20. Now over to the milk. We are given the unit cost or the unit price of the milk. That's $2.35 or $2.35. And the total cost is $14.10 or $14.10. But we are not given the quantity of milk or the number of cartons that were bought. Remember, what we're doing, multiplying quantity by unit price to get total cost. So, if we need the quantity, all we need to do is to take first the total cost and divide it by the unit price, and therefore we're going to get, ta-da, 6 cartons. So they actually bought 6 cartons of milk. Yes, Pamela's doing well. Now, Pamela went to the cashier, and the cashier charged her tax. What are wicked people, I mean? Oh, but guess what? Government have to make some money, right? So therefore, they have what we call value added tax. In Jamaica, we say GCT, General Consumption Tax. So they charge her a percentage of this $82.50, and that gave them $9.90. And then she paid a total of $92.40. How did they arrive at this $9.90? Now, to find the tax is a percentage of the $82.50. So what is happening now? You have X over 100, that's X percent. We want to call it X or Z percent. Z percent of $82.50 equal $9.90. So what you do now is, let me show you something real quick. You have Z over 100 multiplied by 82.50, and that is equal to $9.90. So what you want to do now, bring over the $82.50 to divide the $9.90. Do that with a calculator. You have done that. And then now you go carry the 100 and multiply by the result. And if you do that now nicely, you will get 12. And that is 12%. Alright? Beautiful. And that's how we roll in the BYS project. We want you to get the things done well and get our marks. See, 5 nice marks given away there.